Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm going to be doing a snow bunny makeup look, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. We are going to be doing a snow bunnies look today, and the snow bunny that I'm talking about is the cute furry little animals that are in the snow in wintertime. So there are two colors that you are going to be needing for this eyeshadow, and that is pink and like white silver. And the white has to be sparkly because snow sparkles, so that is very important. I'm just gonna jump right into it. So I'm going to be taking my round brush that looks like this. And I'm using an eyeshadow palette that has no brand name on it, so I have no idea what brand this is. But it is it's a cold pink and it's a light pink. So I'm going to be showing you. It's this one right here at the end. So you're gonna put that in the crease that you have, and then you're gonna elongate it out to wing it out basically. Now this is a really soft pink, so I don't know how much that picks up on camera, but it is there in real life. So what I want to do then is blend it out a little bit, and I want to make sure I don't decrease the intensity of the color, but rather soften the edges. So if you don't want to decrease the color, you use your blender brush and you dip it in the color and you blend it that way. Now what you want to do is take the same pink and put it in your on your lower lash, all over your lower lash. Now what you want to do is go in with the white / light silver all over your lid. I'm using this shade right here. And I'm going in with a flat brush that looks like this. So now it's time for the winged eyeliner, and I'm using the one by H&M, the Dipliner ink. It looks like this. So now it's time to put on mascara, so I'm going to be curling my lashes first. Now I'm going to be putting on mascara only on my upper lashes, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline's the Colossal that looks like this. Now it's time to put eyeliner on my waterline, and I'm just going to be putting it on my upper waterline and not on my lower. And I'm using a eyeliner pencil that looks like that. I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss, whatever you have that makes it shiny. To finish this look off, I'm just going to be using setting spray, and I'm using Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix that looks like this. So this is the finished look. This is what it looks like, a snow bunny. So with that, if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I post my makeup Wednesdays every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 3 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!